boy Chef Kirk at work, and you know how we do. We get down in this kitchen to create some delicious meal for you. And on this episode of How We Do, your boy's about to make some mofongo! Vegan style. Alright, so stay tuned. Take a look at our ingredients that we're going to use to make our mofongo today. So, you know, we got to have our plantains. That's the most key things. And you need some green plantain. The greener are, the better it is for the mofongo. Alright, then we have some cilantro, pepper, green pepper, bell pepper, some onions, tomato, yellow tomato. Ooh, some red peppers. Some garlic. Some lime. Scallion. Thyme. And mushroom for our meaty consistency. So we about to get down. Oh, my fault. And I forgot one last thing, of course. And I can't forget my lentil beans. Woo! Oh, it's gonna go down. All right, first step, let's wash our beans. All right, so you wanna boil your beans for about 15 minutes. All right, guys, so your next step, you wanna peel your green plantains. Then you wanna slice them into about a 1/2 inch rounds. All right, guys, so let's get into it. Let's chop up our vegetables. First thing we're gonna do is slice our peppers. And then from there, we're gonna start on our garlic. We're just gonna peel our garlic. And then from there, we're gonna get our onions. We're gonna slice our onions as well. Very nice, beautiful, delicious. And then from there, we're gonna go into our cilantro. And from that, we move on to our scallions. We wanna do a nice little cube on the scallions, nothing crazy. And then to our mushrooms. Just want to slice them like a 1 inch thick. And then from there, our peppers, you want to clean the peppers. Take the pepper flakes out, the seeds out. And then you want to slice the peppers up. And then we're going to chop our tomatoes into nice thick little chunks. Sauteing time, we're going to use some grapeseed oil. All right, we're gonna add our mushrooms. We're gonna get that nice and brown. Put some salt, some pepper, a little cayenne, a little paprika, and then we're just gonna brown that up. All right, in the same pan, we're gonna saute our onions and our peppers, our garlic. All right, guys, so time for us to fry up our plantain. Get that oil nice and hot. Add our plantains. Now what you wanna do, you wanna fry each plantain up till they're nice and goldenly brown. Let's get this thing popping. Then you want to take off the excess oil. All right, so we want to transfer our plantain into our bowl. We're going to just mash those bad boys up. Time to get to work. Add our vegetables, our garlic, our mushroom, our peppers. And then you just want to add our lentil beans. And then from there, we'll just continue to add in our peppers and some cilantro, a little bit of the juice from the lentil beans. And then we're going to add some lime juice to give it that extra spice that we're looking for. And then that's it, people. All right, time to plate our food. So the chef is in the building. Had to bring out the red coat on this one because this sauce right here was amazing on it. So what you want to do, you want to make your mofongo into a ball, plate it, clean the plate off, drizzle the sauce on top of it. Hey! Woo! So that's how you make a vegan mofongo. Now, this meal's so good. I'm gonna have to name this something delicious, like my sexy dirty biatch. I'm just playing. I ain't gonna name that. I'm just gonna call it a delicious mushroom red sauce mofongo. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Look at that right there. Oh man. But the moment the truth is up on us, I'm getting really hungry looking at this bad boy. So let's take a look and see how this mofongo came out. All right. Let's take this side over here. This side, because that side, yeah. Oh, sorry, my bad. Guys, pick up my cookbook. Came out last week. From Streets to the Kitchen, Vegan Cookbook. This meal right here is amazing. Oh man, I'm about to go in. Guys, thank you guys for watching another episode. I hope you guys enjoy. I enjoy making this meal, and I hope you guys enjoy watching me making this meal. So leave a like, a comment, subscribe, follow, tweet, and all that good stuff, all right? Thank you guys again for watching another episode of How I Get Down in the Kitchen. How I get down, what I get down, yeah, whatever you want to call it. Peace! Have a good night. Be safe.